welcome to Matt. Hello, it's Matt 4106 brother, and this is part 2 of the Nerf gun battle. Why'd you do that?
Welcoming is me, Mark Anthony.
Okay, let me.
So guys, we're hiding from that 1406. We did.
Where's Penelope? Penny, come here. Get Penelope over.
Okay guys, we found them. We're taking camera. They opened them.
Penny! Make sure Penny's on the way.
What happened? Okay. Yeah, I'm back alive.
Got you back.
We take the victory.
We take the victory again.
We take the victory.
We did the victory. We won the victory.
We won the victory from Matt 1006 and Chavita. The winners are Mark Anthony and Samuel.
Not
Woo! There's the lasers.
I can't. Oh.
Stop! You guys can shoot it.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please leave a like and comment down below.
Woo! Here's the winner and the second winner.
And thanks for watching.